next workflow, what I'll do is I'll go to the track. Now, what I did is that I moved the white car from that point to this point to simulate the fact that an asset is moving from one zone to another. In this workflow, what I'll do is I'll select the time interval and I'll go into the system and I'll search for that item that moved, which is a white car, and I'll send that off. Now, without me having to touch the infrastructure, without me having to change the configuration or put any new model in place, with Mimic mimOE, I'm able to change the role and function of how these devices work and how these agents are being consumed within the service mesh. As we can see now, since I moved it from that camera to this camera, it's telling me that it was initially seen on camera 1, and now it's being seen on camera 2. So without me actually having to look at the feed physically, I can pass that job off to an agent to do that for me.